What happens if you keep sneezing? After one sneeze, nothing really changes. After 5 sneezes, your eyes start getting watery. Your nose feels irritated. After 10 sneezes, it's getting harder to ignore. Now you're sneezing faster. You start feeling uncomfortable. After 20 sneezes, your body starts feeling tired. Your head feels heavier. Your energy starts dropping. After 50 sneezes, you barely recover before the next one hits. Now you're exhausted. You're annoyed. You just want it to stop. But after 100 sneezes, your whole body feels overwhelmed. You're completely drained. Your eyes burn. Your energy is gone. And somehow, it still doesn't stop.